Look at all those chickens.
A whole lot of chickens.
Well, I was getting gas at this Petro-Canada. God dang.
You're gonna stop by.
And then it fucking just started leaking. God dang. Boom, we ain't leaking anymore. Let's go. Well, shit, boys.
When you're ready. You blow harder, man. Blow it harder.
Well, I just got a bike. GSXR 1000, 05. He said he looped it while he was doing a wheelie. He showed us a video and everything. The front forks are a little bent. Hopefully it can get fixed or aligned or something somehow, some way. We'll see though. And then yeah, it's just a lot of work, but it's really I would say it's really minor because the frame, front, everything looks pretty nice. It's not leaking oil or anything, so should be good, should be great, should be nice. Yes. Back there, boom boom, just in the Holiday Inn. And yeah, just wait for tomorrow. We outside and probably let's go. Yeah. Good. Another hiccup. God damn. Yep. He's inside the truck. Bike's still in the back. Fuck. Let's go, boys. Yeah. There's the key. The key. Oh, where'd it go?
Oh, you grab it already.
I was like, what the fuck? Where'd it go? Yeah. We good.
Welcome to Infinity Gallery, guys. My name is Ryan here. You need any used new car, whatever it is, I am your guy. Come buy a car right now. Let's get you approved. See you on the flippity flop.
Uy.
Philippines. Come.
It is the bike.
Holy shit, brother. Yo, it's mint.
Yeah, it was mint.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna need a new everything.
Yeah.
Oh, why is it pointy, bro?
I don't know. It's for you.
Holy
later.
Shit, bro. Okay. We're at the Diddy party.
Let's go.
Damn, bro.
This is it.
Oh, it's not terrible. Oh, like
No.
the frame and shit.
The frame is good, I think, but the forks are bent as a motherfucker. But just
Man,
need
is the guy you bought it from the one who crashed it?
Yeah.
What did he say happened?
He said he was doing a wheelie and then he looped it and then it went tumble. He said he had full gear on, so it's fine.
What does that mean? Oh, him.
Like
he had full
he had
gear
full
on.
gear, yeah.
Oh.
So
Jesus Christ,
Yeah.
man! You gotta get a new tank, new everything.
yeah, new everything, new pretty much all cosmetic stuff.
Oh my god! But runs?
I don't know.
Oh.
We'll figure that out.
It's gonna be a brand new bike by the time you're done, bro.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah, you're gonna kill it. But you fucking crashed your Husqvarna, which is 700.
That's
Imagine
fine.
this one was.
Yeah, it's 1,000, bro. Those are sick, man. Oh my god, brother.
Yeah, that's the brake.
You got no brakes, bro.
Caliper.
You're gonna die. Oh my god, this thing's fucked.
Yeah.
This thing is fucked.
It is fucked. Now that I see it in the daylight.
The only good thing is the frame. That's it.
Yeah.
Kiko brakes.
Yes. I don't know what that is, but
Mint, bro. Oil filter's still good.
yeah, like for like how he crashed, there's nothing really on the engine.
Yeah.
Which is great, I think.
Titanium exhaust?
Yeah. Yeah. I just have to put like a slip
Acro?
on. I have no clue, but let's go. Well, side quest to the GSXR picking up project. We're on a downhill thing. Oh my god, I didn't even look down there. It looks good. Anyways, this is it. We're going downhill karting. I always wanted to do this. And yeah, we're doing it today. Well, first ride, success. It was so much fun. Thought I was gonna tip over. I was drifting all around in that corner over there. Another side quest. Side quest. We're going on a trail. But yeah, we out here. We're going to I guess this part and adventure stuff, canyon, whatever. Oh, and then we can do the coaster thing, and then the zip line after last or whatever. Let's go. It's me. It's shaking. You can do it. Oh yeah. Come on, boys. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, it's nice. Not bad. In the middle. Boom, boom. So on the side quest, we're just going up right now. Let's go. Boom, boom. You know, zip line. Dang, look at this patty. It's bigger than the burger. Or bigger than the bun. And then the chips. Normal chips. These highlight drinks is nice. This chicken burger is crazy. Oops.
That's my burger.
Yeah. With a view, a little bit of a view in the mountains, kind of vibe. Yep. All right, so the first bite tastes good. Probably like real meat. As you know, you ask your parents what they want from Jollibee, and that's a big ass bag. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you my trip with a bag of goodies. Is crazy.
So what do we have here, man?
GSXR baby. 1,000.
Let's go, man. It's gonna be quite a project.
Yeah. I think so. Yes.
Anyway, I had a hard time unloading this shit.
Unloading it up.
Here we are.
I wonder if my old fairings will go on there.
I was wondering too.
It's different though.
Like frame.
Yeah. But it's what, 08 or something?
No, mine's a 05 too.
05?
Same as yours, no? We'll see.
They're just like when they're the same fairings like how my bike came.
Yeah.
Just destroyed.
This one's still good. Yeah, that one's still fun.
Yo, if that
That's
fits,
amazing.
I low-key want to steal that.
Toss me those frames.
So this is what happened to the front end. Rear end. Oh, see, it has a taillight. See, we're good. This is why I asked for the other ones. See, and then this cable thing with the key. So this is why you ask for everything.
Oh, your cluster is fucked.
I know, that's why I'm buying a new case. Yeah.
The case, look.
What? What you mean? What is it? What is it?
Doesn't work.
Oh. Fuck it. Go through.
I need a new one as well.
That's not the speedometer. Hopefully.
Oh yeah, that is.
I'm scared this might tip over, but.
You want me to come on the other side?
Yo, go on the other side real quick. Or just hold it. I'm scared it might fucking ding. Wait, let's tie the. Give me that. Okay. Let's tie Try not to kill everyone. Okay. Here, let's put this on a stand. Everyone. Yeah, I don't know how we did it, but we did it.
4 of us.
Yeah, there was 4 of us. Oh wait, I need gloves too. Fuck you. You don't need gloves, you're brown, it's fine.
I mean, technically, if we were to drop it, it's not a big.
Yeah, no, it's not a big deal. Let me pop.
It can't get any.
Yeah, it's getting any worse. Huh? Okay. You are gonna have to stop it or like slowly. Not there's no front brake or anything.
Yeah. The max I can do is probably like
Pull it, yeah.
pull it on my.
It rolls now.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold it.
Wait, just you watch the
Straighten the wheel up.
the wheel.
You're yanking on it on your
Yeah,
side.
you do that.
Let me just turn it.
Okay. Make sure my fucking finger doesn't go in the chain.
Okay. For us, make sure it goes onto the rail,
Yep.
onto the track.
Shit. It's easier than I thought.
Yeah.
That was good.
I'm so glad I have grip on my shoes.
It rolls now.
Yes. Okay. Wait.
Boom.
What the is this?
What? What? What's this?
Wait, what?
Oh yeah, I don't know. It's for you later.
For me.
Yes. Okay, bend over. Yeah, this is it. Boom.
Oh. That would have been helpful.
Oh, the the brakes. Yep. That's okay though.
Oh,
What?
that's brand new tires.
Yeah, it has brand new tires in the front and the rear, kind of.
They're alright.
Yeah, they're alright.
But
Yeah.
they're really straight.
But yeah, here it is. The project brought it home. Hopefully.
Should I bring any of my spare parts? Do you think they would work?
Yeah, we'll try. We'll try. Yeah.
Did it come with the?
I low-key want your sliders though.
Yeah, I don't want them.
Alright,
Yeah.
I
I want to buy race rails, but
No, I might have to buy those. Someone in our Snapchat group,
yeah.
they were selling some, but they were for a 600 and then for an 07, 08. So,
Yeah. Yours is 07, you said.
yeah. So I should buy them.
Yeah.
I just don't know how much he's selling them for.
Oh, yeah.
I'm broke after my trip.
Yeah. Same. Everything like went wrong.
I know. I was like, yeah,
Gas
that
tank.
was
Yeah.
Adventure and a half.
Yeah.
Then we got pulled over right there.
Yeah. And then yeah, it was not good. It was not great.
And then decided to go to BC.
Yeah. We were like, you know what?
Okay.
Fuck it. If you guys like the video, you know, subscribe. We have Faraz's fairings coming in. He just bought them and I'm just finishing the editing and stuff. His thing is over there, back there.
Yes,
Also
sir.
a Gixxer right there. Yeah. Anyways, peace out. Like and subscribe.